Hi and welcome. This video shows different ways to manage your CAS Formulus answer sets. First, let's retrieve formulations containing oleic acid. Be sure Formulations tab is selected and type in oleic acid in the search box. And hit search. Once the answer set is created, you have many options to look at answers. On the right, you have sort and group options. Feel free to change the default to help you review answers. You can utilize many filters to look at your answers. For example, industry. Use the View All to expand and look at the full list. Select one or more options to refine. Other options including purpose, physical form, indicating formulations in the final product. For example, powders. Other filters including state of matter, delivery route, and information included. You also have document type, which has a detailed list that you can specify the source the formulations are from. Just a reminder, Formulus contains formulations from both journal articles and patents. You can also filter by organization and, of course, year. If you want to see two formulations side by side to compare their details, Formulus has a compare feature. Use the compare button to select up to 3 formulations in an answer set. Let me select them, add them into the comparison window. You can remove or clear to start over. Once ready, use a compare button to generate a table with the 3 selected formulations to look at details. Download option is available to save a copy of the table for later use. You can save and set up alerts to receive updates on a search. Use the ribbon icon. Name your list, for example, oleic acid. To turn it into an alert, add frequency and save. Once it's saved, use the ribbon icon on the top to view saved answers and the bell button to view alert updates. Let me do one more refinement to the answers. And here is a nice example. First, in the formulation detail, you will see a brief summary table created by CS analysts. Sometimes you find a large formulation ingredients table that lists every ingredient reported with optionality detail, which is only available in Formulus. You can expand a group to view additional detail. More formulation like this is a feature using AI algorithm to allow you to explore others like the one we're looking at. You may also find process information reported in the publication, which includes step-by-step instructions on how to make this formulation. Scroll down further, you may find other supplemental information, including experimental activity. This details different combinations that have been experimented to optimize a formulation. Formulus summarizes the source documents in a different format to allow you rapidly access formulation information. Click on the title of the source document to open a separate window with different tabs. Using the Formulations tab, it will allow you access to all extracted formulations from this particular publication. Hope you find this video useful. Feel free to check out other videos in the series. Have a great day.